Hey, it's me, Leah, and it's that time of year again. It is pool season. And what I love most about pool season, it's pool season. We get to go swimming and relaxing by the pool, but what I hate most about pool season is I gotta clean my pool or pay somebody to do it. Either way, the pool has to be cleaned for you to be able to go swim. So this was gifted to me free for review, and this is a telescopic pool vacuum. I'm super excited about this. This comes with everything you need. So it does have a telescopic handle, and you're gonna wanna make sure this is completely charged before using. And you're gonna make sure that that sensor right there is underwater, and this is gonna protect the charging port from getting water in it. But this is the water sensor level. Let's go vacuum my pool. I do have a little bit of dirt at the bottom of my pool, so we should see this with this brush, picking some of this up, and look how long that handle is. So I'm gonna get some distance in my pool with this, and it has a high-low setting. So we're probably just gonna use it on the low setting right now because it's not really too dirty. But let's go clean that pool. So I have a decent sized pool, and there we can see some dirt and stuff. This is the deep end of my pool. Here it's telling you the percentage of your battery, and so it actually started working the moment, look at that. Look at just a couple passes. Look at all the dirt it's taking off the bottom of my pool. And it's so quiet too. Look at, I just made a few passes across the bottom of my pool, and it picked all that up. I can't believe that was sitting at the bottom of my pool and I didn't even know. This was gifted to me free for review. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. I couldn't even tell that it was working. It almost seemed like it started up right as the water sensor right there knew that it was in the pool. But look at that. All that was sitting at the bottom of my pool. I got this free for review, and I highly recommend. This is a neat product to have. It's gonna make, look at that, cleaning my pool effortlessly during the summer. And you can see where I made just a few passes. Look at that. That's where I made those few passes. And that's what came out of my pool. I highly recommend this product. Here you can see I've taken out the pool, and this is actually pretty substantial in length. Like, look how high that goes. For a small unit, I wasn't expecting it to be so substantial as far as picking up the dirt like it did off the bottom of my pool. But look at that. I'm probably gonna do the rest of my pool, but that was just a few passes. I highly recommend this. This is a small unit, but it does a great job.